go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, Lifer, what's up? I'm gonna take y'all on a tour of the garden and the animals. I know videos been few and far between here lately, sorry about that. Life's changing for me at a fast rate. I'm gonna try to keep up. I'm gonna still try to do 3 a week. Just give me a week or 2. I started a new job Friday. I work today. I work Friday, Saturday, today. I work tomorrow. I work Tuesday. And then Wednesday I go to graveyard, which is a shift I want. It's not the job of my dreams, but it'll pay some of my bills until I can find the job that'll pay them all. And I just needed a damn job. You know, most of y'all know that I took care of Spice. That's what I done. That's what I got paid for. Well, that's not available anymore. So I was about a month out, and the garden could have got me through the summer. But I'm counting on it to catch some stuff up I'm behind on this year. If the wind don't destroy it, I'll show y'all that here in a minute. I want y'all to see how big them baby turkeys have got. They're a heritage breed. They don't grow fast. So they're not meat turkeys like last year. The turkeys, if I hadn't mentioned, are blue slate heritage turkeys. Look how big them ducks done got. That's still scared of everything. I'm probably gonna sell a few of those and keep all the hens. So look at them. I almost think all of them are roasters. All of them, but maybe 2. Now we're gonna keep the best looking roaster out there, and we're gonna eat the rest of them. This was just gonna be a garden update, but I'm gonna update everything. We're doing real good up here. That's all cucumbers on the back row. Jubilee watermelons there. That pepper plant right there got broke over last night in a storm. I hope it lives. Had to stake it up this morning. Them are both Carolina Reapers. That's a Carolina Cross watermelon. It's supposed to grow the 200-pound melons. I don't know if it will or not. These strawberries, oh my goodness. The wind tore them up a little bit, but they are just going. You hear me? Just going. Down here, we picked a bunch already. They're not getting as big as I want them to, but I can live with that. Yeah, I got something digging over here. Probably a gunner dog, if I was betting. Got it mostly mulched in. I need another couple bags of mulch. When I get paid the first time, I'll probably get 2 or 3 bags. I still got to pick some weeds out of it, but they're starting to run a little bit. I'm not really worried about harvesting much off of them this year. We got the blueberries over here. They're growing better than what I thought they would have. They look like they need a little water, but they got plenty last night. I don't know. Got a few getting ripe. That's good. Raspberries are starting to shoot off. Do good. They're black raspberries. I'm gonna have to spray some poison around all this. Something that'll kill these damn vines. Not the raspberry vines. The herbs are doing good. Yeah, I'm having to come back here and pull them in all the time. They're doing good. I've used some of the deal already. I've used some of the mint already. Some of the curled parsley already. But y'all right about the mint. You gotta keep an eye on it or it'll go everywhere. See how it likes to get under there and grow? Stopping that. Still having issues with quail getting ate by snakes. I set my first live snake trap with a quail in it last night. Gonna do it again tonight, right at dark. That's what I'm down to. I had 4 in this one, 8 in this one, and 2 in that one. And y'all see what I'm down to. I'm down to 5 birds. And that snake got a hold of that one that's all ruffled up. Okay, I'm not sure if I got this recorded. Watermelons are doing watermelon things. Let's see. Camera may overheated, I don't know, it's kind of hot. We are in Texas. There's one of the easy to see watermelons. I'll show you another one later on. Cantaloupes, they're cantaloping. Corn got blew over into some of the cantaloupes. Some of the cantaloupes are in the first row of corn already. So, when the cantaloupes start cantaloping better, I'm sure I'm gonna be selling 20, 25 a day. My new job, I'll be on the graveyard shift, so I'll be able to sell vegetables during the day. Some people say I probably need to sleep during the day, but I don't do much of that. Y'all can see the corn damage. Y'all probably seen the short I posted. Yeah, I'm kind of upset about it. The wind just kind of swirled on us for a little bit, and I'm glad it wasn't any taller, so. And I know it needs weeded, but like I told you, I got a job now, and that ain't gonna happen near as often. But these are the purple hull peas, and as y'all can see, they're starting to bloom out. If I can keep the damn deer out of them, we'll be getting several bushels of peas off this. And they'll make most of summer once they start. So, let's go to the next. Maters, peppers, squash, other peppers. I got picked peppers tomorrow when I get off work. Cucumbers. Hope I got to pick a couple of them tomorrow when I get off work, and I should. Peas are blooming. Texas, A&M, top pick purple hull, pink purple hull, pink-eyed purple hulls or something like that. Stepped in a hole, I bet y'all could tell. Sweet corn that the wind ravaged. Y'all already seen the short from. Cantaloupes, cantaloupe, watermelons, watermelon. Gunner dog gunning. Oh, she's getting old. I bet that whole video sucked. I hope y'all can deal with the zoomed in video the whole time. Like I told you in the beginning of the video, life's changing fast for me. There's a bunch of things going on. I've got a bunch of goals I need to make and get, but I'm gonna still keep doing YouTube. Like I say, give me a couple weeks. I'm gonna beat your back trying to get 3 a week out. Trying to hire some help. How about that? No, that's a joke. I can't afford to pay nobody. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little cringy short video. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back at you with some more.